Hello everyone, this is Munsif Raza and today I am going to present my project in Open Day 2023 in software department named Deep Learning Framework for Fetal Anatomical Planes Prediction from Ultrasound Images. Now let me introduce you to our team. We are having Dr. Rabia Jafri as our supervisor. I am Munsif Raza, 19SW55, the group lead. Adil Salim 19SW51 and Saklain Mustafa 19SW81. Now let me introduce you to our project. What's the introduction? Well, an ultrasound examination is an essential tool to monitor the fetus and mother during the pregnancy. And usually we do this using the manual techniques and the manual work like doctors and the technicians examine, and after examining the ultrasound images they predict out different diseases and the health state of fetus and mother. But it can be like biased, it can have human error. So what we are trying to do is we are going to have a deep learning model that can automate this process and classify different plans into different classes after seeing those ultrasound images. We have trained our models using 14,000 plus images from two different hospitals, and we have labeled the images into six classes. Five of them are fetal anatomical planes, and the sixth one is the mother's cervix. So problem statement is that whenever we are doing manual measurements of fetal anatomical planes and maternal structures, they are very time consuming, and they can they are time consuming, labor intensive, and it can have human errors and biases. So basically what we are trying to do is we are trying to develop a deep learning model that can do all that effectively. We have proposed the model that is going to predict out the different classes of the ultrasound planes, and that model will be having convolutional neural networks model, and we have labeled the images into six different classes ranging from abdomen, brain, femur, thorax, and other, and the sixth. Now here is the methodology that we have used. We are having a data set that first of all we pre-processed that data set, and then we got that data set labeled from a sonographer specialist, and then what we did, we split it out the labeled data set into train and test, and then we proposed the model and trained it, and then we did the model predictions using the test dataset and evaluated the performance of the model. Now let me take you to the demonstration of the project. So here's the deep learning framework for fetal anatomical planes prediction for ultrasound images, and this is the implementation basically. These are some pictures that we have used of the ultrasounds. This is our model that we have proposed, and this is the training process of that model, and this is what we have trained and the accuracy that we have got. And on the test dataset we have got 83 percentage of the accuracy, and this is the summary of our model with having parameters as 978374. Now what we are going to do is we are going to have a demonstration, short demonstration. We are having different test batches, and each batch is having 10 images, and so let's run and take a random like 1 5 batch, and as we can see that it is having 10 images of class 1, and class 1 is basically the brain. So let's do the predictions. Okay, the predictions are done, and we have to see the predicted levels. Okay, we have got 111, and there is a 4 out there. That's the error basically, because it's 83% accurate. So this is brain, and there's other in between this.